asked how I am, I said calm. She said I'm the man, I said in it.
YouTube, what's going on? Yeah, welcome back to another video. My name is Craig, and this is where I document my journey as I work towards becoming a consistently profitable trader. So recently I bought myself a new funded account, new 50k funded account with Funded Nest that I have been trading since the beginning of this week, which means on Monday. So I got the account on Saturday and I've been trading it since Monday, and it's been going quite okay. I'm not complaining too much because on Monday I took my first trade. I wasn't supposed to take the trade, but I so much that trading, and you know that feeling when you want to trade, like you got a new account and you just want to trade and just want to pass the account as soon as possible. So that's what happened with me on Monday, and you already know what happened. It took a loss, and then on Tuesday I didn't get any trade. You can see my previous video, that's where I shared about what happened on Monday, Tuesday, and on Wednesday I took another trade and it was a losing trade again. So first two trades of the account were losses, and then today, Thursday the 16th of July, I took another trade and it was a winning trade. So for those that don't know me, I only trade one pair, one time frame, and that's all. So I trade Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame, and I use my own curated strategy, which uses moving averages and stuff, you know, like moving averages with a bit of what do you call this, SMC, fair value gaps, part of SMC or ICT. I don't even know. I don't even care. I just know that my strategy works and I use it perfectly. So I took sales today on Euro USD. I enter my trades on London session, so I took sales today on Euro USD. I'll put the trade somewhere here. Then for those that want to go deep into this strategy, I'm so sorry, man. You have to go back to some few videos back where I explained the strategy, where I explained the strategy while I was back testing. So today I did take a trade and it hit my TP for a 1:2.5, but I was actually risking 0.5%. So I have this thing where, like, if I see that I'm in a losing streak, because I was in a losing streak of 5 trades, I think I was going straight from my strategy, so I had to slow down a little bit, reduce my risk, and see if I can come back and follow my rules properly. I did another thing, that is write down my checklist, because I used to have my checklist on the wall. Then I removed it. I was like, okay, I don't know what I want to do in the markets and stuff, so I don't need to even be seeing this checklist. So I put it back up, as you will see right over here. So yeah, the checklist, don't mind it, man, you know, like it's got some solid tips and stuff. So moving averages should align with the direction of my trade. I should see a corrective retracement. I use fair value gaps for entries and 4-hour candle confirmation. Be strict with the 200 SMA. Once you feel like you're missing out, wait even more. 1 trade per setup, no setup, no trade. And that's just a calendar of me tracking how my months are performing, even though I do have a calendar on my phone for the journaling and stuff. Like I journal on Notion.com. So yeah, I do have a journal with all the information about my performance and my win rate and all. So yeah, today's trade was actually good, man. I don't even lie. It was what I call a reversal trade. I have 2 types of setups, a reversal setup and a continuation setup, and that's all I do. And a B setup, which I call a continuation setup, but it's a continuation setup off of a continuation trade. It's too much, but I don't even take the B setups anymore. I just take the reversal setups and the continuation setups. That's all. So that's the trade that I took today, and I made 1.5% since I was risking 0.5% on the 50k account, and then I made 0.62% on the 15k and the 5K because I was risking 0.25% on those accounts because they were a little bit deep into drawdown, more than the 50K account. So currently the accounts are looking like this. I'll put it somewhere there. So currently the accounts are looking like that, and the 50K is back at break even, the 15K and the 5K are still in drawdown. I still have to get out of drawdown to make a withdrawal, or what you call a payout on the Profem funded nest. So you guys, I'm about to sleep. This is actually a blanket, not a robe. For someone that may think this is actually a blanket. It's a fleece blanket, not a robe. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit cold. I'm carrying this phone because this is the phone that I use to just see what the market is currently doing. I don't take trades on this phone, but yeah, I just use it to see what the market is doing whilst I'm recording myself with that phone over there. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I hope you had a great day and you have a great night. Good night.
VIP. VIP. VIP.
Just wanna be your girl. And I wonder if you even
What's going on, VIPs? Welcome to another video. So today is a Friday, the 17th of July. It's currently 5 minutes to 11, and yeah man, you just saw me do my morning routine, and I've been looking at the charts. So I wake up at 8:45 every day, every weekday I can say. So currently I am just looking at the charts, not seeing any setup per se, but I might be looking to buy Euro USD today, but not right now. Right now I have to wait a little bit for 11 a.m. to then give me the push so that I can get the entry a little bit later rather than just entering right now, and it's kind of in a risky place, so I don't want to take a risky trade because we might be selling right now. If you actually happen to sell, let me show you a bigger view. If you actually happen to continue selling, it means that I might lose the trade. So since I want to see buys, so right now I will just wait for extra confirmation for buys, like we take out some of those highs right there and then retrace to the 50 SMA to then push back up if the market is going to buy. But today is a Friday. I've taken 3 trades this week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then I'm just honestly, I don't even want to trade today. I just wanna leave the market do its thing and then come back next week. So yeah man, right now I'm about to make breakfast and then we just see how the day goes. I'll just give you information as the day goes. Like if we happen to get any trade today, yeah, it's a good thing, but I don't wanna risk it on a setup I'm not sure of, so I need to wait for extra confirmation to then take the trade. So let's make some breakfast and then see you in a bit. YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another day this week. So today is a Saturday and the market is closed. The market is currently closed and we have no trades to take because we trade currencies here. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Craig and this is where I talk about my journey as I work towards becoming a consistently profitable trader. Amen. So we have to now reflect on last week's trading, man. I won't even lie, last week's trading was not okay. Just because I disrespected my rules 2 times and then I had to reflect and to look at what was going wrong, then correct my mistakes and then have a winning trade. So on Monday I took a trade and on Wednesday and Thursday I took other trades. So I took 3 trades this week and yesterday I almost took a trade. I don't even count it as a trade because the market didn't even move from there, so I just closed it before it even did anything. So I'm counting Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. So I now have to write down the mistakes that I made with my strategy this week. So I was supposed to have done this quite a while ago. Like I was supposed to have done this on Monday as soon as I made that mistake and either stop loss and like reflected already. So one of the things I didn't follow from my strategy was that I was looking for trades out of my time frame, out of my trading time frame or entry time frame. So one was looking for trades on the 1 hour time frame. So the first trade on Monday, there was no trade for me on the 15-minute time frame. Then I had to go to the 1 hour time frame, and the issue with that is the way I understand my strategy on the 15-minute time frame. Of course, the time frames are fractal, but the way it might behave on the 1 hour time frame might be a little bit different from what I'm used to seeing on the 15-minute time frame. Like for instance, I know that the 15-minute time frame will respect the 50 SMA with no doubt and ignore some of the fair value gaps that you have above in a distance above the 50 SMA or the 200 SMA. So the 1 hour, it might disrespect that. Like for instance, on Monday I did put an entry just a little bit above the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA if I'm correct, and then the market pushed a bit higher and used the high fair value gap to then move in my direction. So I didn't count that as a good trade. Of course, I was like, oh, if I had used that fair value gap above, it would have hit my TP and I would have had a profitable day. But just the fact that I went above and beyond to now use another time frame, which is not the 15-minute time frame, to find my entry, and yeah, man, that's why I had to lose that trade, even though the market did eventually move in my direction just after tapping my stop loss, which was placed at the high fair value gap, then tapped it, closed my trade for a loss, and then moved in my direction. So that was one thing I had to note, looking for trades on a different time frame, which was not good. And then that was the Monday trade. Then on Tuesday I didn't have any setup and I didn't take any trade. Then on Wednesday I disrespected the 200 SMA rule, so I need to be strict with the 200 SMA. Disrespected my 200 SMA. So my strategy is, as you can see right now, my strategy is based on the moving averages as a trend indicator. So I use moving averages as my trend indicator and a moving average as my entry confirmation, even though I use fair value gaps for my entries. So if you check on my previous videos, you'll find a video, a 45-minute video where I was talking about my strategy, explaining it a little bit. So I anticipated my 200 SMA, and I just went against the normal trade I would take for a plus setup. So that's something that I did, and I had to note. And then on Thursday I had to calm down and focus on my strategy and look back into my strategy and look back into the old videos that I made explaining the strategy, then find the perfect entry, the perfect reversal entry. So I have two entry setups, which is a continuation and a reversal. So these two setups, they are very simple and clear that I don't even have to confuse myself with going into another time frame, looking for different entries on bigger time frames. And one thing that I won't even do is go to the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame, because it will absolutely change the way the market move, the way I see it on the 15-minute time frame, because I'm so used to the 15-minute time frame that I know what I need to see and I know what I don't need to take. So simple as that. So I had to reflect on this, and this week I'll be back testing my strategy. It's been a while since I've physically back tested my strategy, because I now just go back to the old video that I created and just look at the video and just analyze whilst I'm looking at the video. But now I have to physically backtest, like the month of May and June. I have to physically backtest them and put in some of the new additional things that I've added to my strategy and just see how the strategy will perform if I was using that, and just compare. Because right now my win rate is maybe around, just because I am not a perfect trader, like I'm not perfect in the markets, my win rate is around 4-5%, and that's a okay win rate if you have a good risk to reward ratio with your trades. So if you have a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, a 4-5% win rate is very perfect and it's very okay. You can be profitable with that, even a 40% win rate. But if I was a robot, my win rate would be around 60% or 70%. I don't know, I'm not so sure. I've never had a month like that, so yeah. But when I'm backtesting, that's what I see. That's what the data shows me, that I should be having a 60 to 70% win rate. But then when it comes to live trading, you know, emotions coming and everything, man. Like this week, I took 2 trades, not following my strategy to the T, and losses, you know. So this week I had 2 losses and 1 win, and I was break even on my 50k account, and a little bit of drawdown on my 15k account and my 5k account. So yeah, for those that don't know, I bought a new challenge account with Funded Nest, a 50k challenge account, and I'm still in phase 1. Just started trading it this week, and I'm hoping to pass the phase 1 and phase 2 within 2 months or 1.5 months. Not rushing anything. If it happens even more faster or a bit sooner, I'm okay with that. But in my head, I'm telling myself, okay, 2 months, even more, I don't even care, man. I'm not rushing anything. I have the 15k account and the 5k account, which makes a 20k account, and I can be making payouts from those accounts without worrying about passing the 50k account, which is a good thing, and it helps my psychology so that I can calm down, not rush anything, and just focus on my consistency and be there for the long run. Because with me in trading, I'm not looking for home runs, man. I'm not looking for quick cash, quick money, because I want it to be a profession for me, man. I want it to be something I can keep on doing for the longest of time without having to look for other means of, without having to quit, let me say. Because of course I'll use the trading money to fund other businesses and be the entrepreneur that I want to be, but I want it to be something which is consistent, man. I want to be a consistent trader, like consistently profitable trader, not just a trader that gets money there, then the next moment I have no account to trade, and now I have to look for some money, hustle some money to then fund into an account, to then go full margin on the account. And I just want it to be a consistent, churn out, recorded thing that I can even pass on to someone, man. And when if I come and I want it to be like, if I come and show you my channel and my performance and everything, you can see and track everything and see the growth and understand what trading is, if it's not on the gambling side, because trading can be on the gambling side and it can be on the proper professional side. So I want to be a professional trader. Yeah, man. So that was just it for this week. I have to back test now, May and June, and work towards becoming the consistently profitable trader that I want to be, with a consistent win rate. 60% win rate, I'll be so happy with that. 50% win rate, I'll be fine with that too. But I want to be a consistent trader. So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, be sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. See you guys next week on Monday, and I hope we can make profits on the 50K account and pass the challenge to then go further and further. See you on the next one.
Okay, bye.